What you just told me? Or do you care?
About what I'm doing?
Yeah, about all those pipes and cutting things and...
Yeah, so this one's from the Septic, and it's the straightest. And the other two, this one I'm going to cut to put a inlet in for like a spy inlet. And this one is too sharp of an angle. I'm going to have to put like a 40 or something in it. So I'm going to cut that one, and I'm going to cut this one, and then pray that that's going to work. And in the meantime, try to get the box in here and start leveling it and whatnot, and see if I can get that pipe in it. So that's the plan.
Box.
I don't want to go too deep on this to start with, so I'm gonna go right here. I can always cut it again if I need to. I may end up having to put some gravel or sand down on the box location. See, that one's concave a little bit, so I'm gonna have to straighten that one out.
Oh, you mean you're gonna put it back on?
Well, no, but I'm gonna put a fitting on there.
What's still in the ground?
Right, I'm gonna put a fitting on that one.
Right.
That's the one that's gonna have.
But that there's not going back in, right?
No.
Okay.
No. So now I'm trying to get the box down here.
Oh, you're not having to cut that last one.
Well, I don't want to cut them all. No, this one I'm gonna leave. I don't know. I may have to go get a razor blade to cut these inlets.
Oh. Do you want me to do some? Like push it over to you, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see the bottom of this one's cracked open. Is that crack in there?
I'm not sure. Oh, I can see it, I think.
Yeah, it's right there.
Yeah.
It goes across there, so that means that's a done deal. And I think there's crack up the side here too.
Oh, yeah.
So I'll dig this down a little bit, and then we can pull this box out.
That one's probably not going to be as easy, huh? Because it's not all broken up.
Yeah, I mean, I think it'll come out okay. Would you mind grabbing that small shovel?
Should I have a glove on?
Oh, probably.
Knowing what you've been digging in.
Yeah. Yeah, you just gotta get below the box on all sides. Just flicking stuff at me.
Oh.
Hey guys, so this is the D-box, distribution box installation, and I actually have been working on it part of the day already, and you can see that I have my little telescope line in, and my box in. There's one line on this side over here, right there, that I'm going to be replacing that whole pipe because it's kind of smooshed. So I'll show you that. Turn the camera around. So that old pipe that's on the right hand side of the bottom of the screen, that one there is the pipe that goes between the two boxes. And you can see the lineup on it is not awesome either. Although I could probably manipulate it, dig it back and manipulate it. I'm going to replace it. So that's why that one's not connected. But my telescoping tube's put in. The one on the left side of the screen here on the bottom is the one coming from the septic tank. Got my level on there. Currently it's level both directions. Hoping it stays that way. And I did learn a couple things about manipulating the box and the pipes. But suffice to say that this one is getting close. I'm going to go ahead and move on to the other side, or the other box. The hole's a little bit bigger, which is nice. It's also not as deep, which is nice. So here on the left-hand side is the pipe that's going to be replaced. It's about 18 feet between the two holes. So it'll basically be two pieces of pipe. And then the one on the bottom there, bottom right hand side of the screen, I guess it'd be the middle of the screen, that one is going to have the telescope on it, telescoping pipe, and the one on the right is the drain field one. So I'm going to jump in here, cut some stuff back, and get started. Alright, so dug up that pipe, you can see that, and got one hole, one port left to put in on this one. It's supposed to rain the next 5 days, so I wanted to try to get this close to being done as possible. And I won't turn you into the sunshine. On this one, everything was going well till that big clump of grass rolled right into my spot when I was digging that pipe out, so I'll have to get that out. But other than that, oh, and my riser's a little high. I didn't measure it, I just glued it in, so I'll just cut it off at the right height. Anyway, that's the essentially that's the install. I'm hoping it gets signed off by the inspector. I just need to drop that one more pipe in. I have that up in the truck. I think it's going to take a 40 and then 2 full pieces. So keep my fingers crossed. Hopefully that'll be the case, and we'll have a finished project on this deal. Thanks for joining me.